Kaya marami mga asawa, iniiwan ng asawa nila kasi hindi nila tinatanggap yung asawa nila kung ano man yung asawa nila. Laging gusto nila maiba. Ganun siya eh. Accept individual and personal differences. At kung hindi ka masaya sa talent ng anak mo, ng asawa mo, ng kapatid mo, accept the other ableness. Lahat ng tao may abilidad, may ability. Kailangan lang tanggapin mo kung ano yung kanya. Huwag mong pilitin na yung anak mong ayaw mag-dentistry ay maging dentist tulad mo. Nagmana siya siguro sa ibang lolo, sa dinami-dami ng lolo at lola sa inyong genetic pool, hindi naman laging sa'yo lang kukuha yan. Romans 14:1, accept him whose faith is weak without passing judgment on disputable matters. Here, sabi, accept religious differences. Accept spiritual differences. Not everybody is as mature as you. Not everybody has the same tendencies to apply a biblical verse the same way as you do.